Find or read reviews that people are talking about Bfgxuoo digital piano, 88 key, full size, semi-weighted electronic keyboard piano with sustain pedal. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 200 rhythms and 200 polyphony. The 88 keys music keyboard piano with 200 polyphony, 200 rhythms, 80 demo songs and dual keyboard function, satisfying various styles of performance, nice for teaching and practice. MIDI function. This 88 keys electric piano support Bluetooth MIDI. Bluetooth MIDI can connect to mobile phones/tablets via Bluetooth, perfect for music arrangement. Digital piano can be used as birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, Valentine's Day, children's holiday gifts, but also an ideal gift for beginners and all music lovers. Full-sized and semi-weighted. 88 key weighted keyboard, restore the touch of the grand piano keys, the sound changes with the sense of strength. Velocity-sensitive keys rebound faster and reduce the sense of strength than full-weighted keys, suitable for beginners. Portable electric piano. Built-in speakers, external double headphone jacks and powered by battery, this digital electric piano can be played anywhere and anytime. Smart teaching. With Bluetooth function, beginners and kids can practice this digital piano easily by wirelessly connecting the compatible external equipment or software. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.